Okay, drywall is removed, soundproofing membrane removed, rock wool insulation removed, and this is what we found. No sheathing, no brick ties. Sheathing in the corners, no sheathing, no brick ties. We'll let you know how we correct it. All right, people, this is my thought process. Come on in, Jeremy. So we're going to remove and replace the bottom half of that double top plate, remove and replace this header, remove and replace this 2x4 nailed to the header. And we're going to have to do that with surgical type precision. We're going to keep the window in place, try to separate it from the sheathing, keep the sheathing in place, and try not to vibrate the brick loose because there are no brick ties. So this is our first step. We need to support our trusses. So we're going to lay down a 2x12 and we're going to put some T-bracing underneath our trusses sitting on the 2x12. I'm thinking the 2x12 will help disperse the point loads so we're not sitting directly on top of the tile. So let's go do that. Alright, so how do we anchor back to the plywood sheathing? Pocket holes, liquid nail. Check it out. So that went exactly according to plan. Have a look. Like, subscribe, share, let us know what you think.